So I guess you can't say a whole lot. Yeah. All right, so it is 1 degree out today. Almost 8 o'clock. We're gonna get started here. It's good and bad.
Why is it bad?
Just because they've got trenches around it. It's just kind of a hazard.
Oh, so we're not framing on top of the block?
You're framing on the block. It's a garage. You know, back when I first moved up here, I wanted to have some big tent that I could put on top of the job sites. I need to revisit that idea.
Like for the snow?
Just to be able to put a heater in there.
And then you got out wait.
But there's kind of ditches. You got trenches on both sides here. Kind of a pain. Not kind of, it is.
Oh, I might.
So he wants 3 windows on this side, 1 on the back, 1 over there, 2 over here.
2, 3, 1.
That was my directions.
That's about it.
I think they're 36 by 48. He texted me the exact measurement. I'll get it.
Okay.
He's going.
Where's the material?
Right here. The concrete is going to be 4 inches above this block.
4 inches?
Yep. Okay. And it'll slope. It'll have some slope to it.
Oh, this looks nice. It looks really straight.
Alright, 4 inches above the 8-inch block, 12 inches a block should show in the front. Sidewalk door, make it 11 inches from the top of the block. So on that one over there, from the top of the 4-inch block, go down 11, and that'll be where the concrete is for that door.
Okay.
Then on that back door, go down 10 inches. So he's gonna have 2 inches of fall from the back to the front.
Okay. And 4 on this side.
Yeah. So he wants to see 12 inches of block after the concrete's poured here. And then it'll go up from there 2 inches. And then the windows, it could be
like gravel on this.
I don't know. I don't think he really knows. Because he said there's gravel over there, and then he said, oh, wait a minute, the pile of gravel's still there, so maybe there's not any gravel over there. He's not real sure. But this is the greatest builder we've ever worked for right here.
What's his name?
He told us. Woodall Construction. This is this guy. I guess I shouldn't say a whole lot. This is the plan that I got. So 9-foot ceiling. Okay, it's got 9-foot ceilings, which I don't know if that's 9 foot off the slab or if that's 9 foot off the.
That looks kind of cool.
Yeah. My ears are getting cold. I would say dig it out and see what size they are. If they're 9-foot pre-cut studs, just use them.
Okay.
If they're 10-footers, like, maybe call me, ask me.
Okay.
I don't think it's gonna really matter.
There's not, well, driveway won't go all the way down, so.
No. Connor loaned out his drone, so we can't even get a drone shot out here. we're gonna pull Luis out of the snow. Let me have that in first. I was gonna make fun of him about what truck he's got, but it's a Chevrolet, so I guess I can't say a whole lot. Huh?
It gets me from point A to point B. So
Yeah. Hopefully, I hope that don't tighten up too much. I can't get it off. You gonna pull this one up so I don't pull you into it. Hey, I'm gonna scoot over a little bit. Can you hook it back up? Do what? I'll stay on that. So, if you've watched videos, that is not how you're supposed to do it. But this is how we're gonna do it. Good? You good? You want me to keep going?
when I go forward and try to pull that way.
Okay. I was watching a bunch of videos on this, and supposedly this is like really dangerous to do it like that because those can break off and then kill the driver. And but I've done it that way all my life. Your hands will get cold. I gotta step over here behind the tree for a minute. There's a plug over here in this pole. Okay, so we just bought this little building, this little house, and we're going to take you inside and show you what we're going to do to it. We're going to rearrange the layout a little bit. So we went in there, we've cut the concrete out, and we're going to move the plumbing around and add a bathroom. And so I got to dig it out a little bit so we can get in there, and then I'll show you what we got. Man. Uh-oh, maybe froze. Come on, there you go. I wonder if the gas, I'm not real sure if the gas got turned on. Renee was supposed to get the gas company all their stuff. Okay, so we bought this little house, and it was already kind of half under remodeled. They had came in and demoed everything, and so the only thing that we've done since we've got it is cut the concrete, and that's about it. So all this was already all kind of demoed out. So what we're going to do is they had a bathroom in the back, a shower, but when you open the bathroom door, it hit the shower, and so it was kind of silly. And so when you open this door, it would hit the shower and the door wouldn't even open all the way. So we went ahead and decided to go ahead and just demo it all out. We're going to rearrange the bathroom. We're going to make 2 bathrooms now. We're going to make it a 2-bedroom, 2-bath. Put a new bathroom, make it bigger, add a bathroom over there. We'll have to do a little bit of wiring. Probably have to do a little bit of HVAC, move some ductwork around. But so Zach came in, cut all the concrete out for us, hauled all that off, and now we'll. Plumber's supposed to come in next week. He's gonna do another job for us first, and then come to this one, get this thing roughed in, and then so hopefully maybe in about 2 weeks we can get the guys back in here, get it framed back. Maybe in a month, 6 weeks we'll have to put it back together, and we can get a renter in here. So that's the plan. So that's one of our winter projects that we got coming up. So it's 0 degrees outside. I wish we could be in here working on the framing right now, but we gotta get the plumbing done first. So this will be a 2-bedroom, 2-bath. So I have a bedroom in the front, bedroom in the back. I could do a little bit, but we might bring the dump trailer down here and go ahead and finish loading it out.
So it'll be just a little bit getting all that stuff off, and then we'll get it detailed out. Last about 4 or 5 days.